Hi queens, welcome back to my channel. This is BetheBeat. If you didn't already know, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brene, aka BetheBeat. If you are a returning subscriber, I just want to say thank you for coming on back, girlfriend. It's good to see you again. So like I told y'all in my last video, your girl's middle name is Consistency now, okay? So I am filming. This is a double filming day. So I'm going to do my makeup because okay, period. That's that on that, but I just want you guys to know I'm back with another one. Okay, so my hair's tied up because like I said, it's a double filming day, so I am also filming a video on me laying my wig and styling my wig, so stay tuned for that. So if you'd like to see how I get this makeup look, this beautiful poppin', ooh, she's peachy, I don't even know what she's going to be yet because I haven't finished it. But anyway, just keep on watching to see this poppin' look, okay? Period. Let's get started. Jumping right into it, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize these shoulders. I'm going to use my body butter by A Little Bit of Nature. This body butter is by my homegirl Natalie. Go ahead and shop with her. I will leave her link in the description box below. But I'm just going to hit these shoulders right quick because they out and I ain't got time for them to be ashy, okay? Check the glow. Go ahead and purchase with her. But anyway, I'm going to jump right into skin today. I'm going to mix these three foundations together. This is Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Foundation, or Faux Filter, whatever. And then 2 shades of Studio Fix Fluid by MAC. I'm mixing because my shade is kind of off right now. I really don't have one that's just like my perfect match at this time of year for me. So I'm just mixing to get my blend going. I'm just going to blend that onto the skin. I'm just blending my skin out with the Instapop face brush by Real Techniques. That's my favorite foundation brush. And now I'm going to go in with concealer to highlight my under eyes, the middle of my forehead, and my chin, and down the bridge of my nose, just to get that highlight, that definition going, that depth, okay? And I'm just going to blend that out with a flat foundation brush. And back to the Instapot brush. If you don't have this brush in your collection, go ahead and find it. Go ahead and find it at your nearest Ulta. They sell them at Kohl's. Find this brush, okay? Anyway, I'm going to keep blending out my contour at this point. I use the black Opal foundation stick to contour my skin and add some shadows onto the face. Now, I did my brows off camera just to save some time today, but I'm going to carve them out with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer. I love this concealer. I think you should try it if you haven't already, okay? It's good, but I'm going to blend out that concealer with the same Instapop face brush by Real Techniques. Now, this video is not sponsored by Real Techniques, but I just really love this brush. I love their brushes in general, but Real Techniques, holla at your girl, okay? I'm going to set my face, set my highlighted areas with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and shout out to them for coming out with a new shade called Honey. I just bought it. I haven't tried it out yet, but I'm going to do like a first impressions video on it. Now moving into the eyes, the main attraction, I'm going to use the Makeup for Melanin Girls Power Palette. Shout out to them because, okay, your girl got an affiliate link, period. But I'm going to leave that link in the description box below. So make sure you shop with them. Use the link below and use my discount code BetheBeat to get a little discount, honey. I'm just going to blend those 2 shades in my crease area and get that all worked through because we're going for a fall eye today, okay? We're going for fall. We're going for leaves on the face. I'm going to use that yellow shade to really pump up the volume, okay? Pump it up through the crease. Now, after the yellow shade is buffed through my crease enough for my liking, I'm going to go into that orange shade in the palette and really intensify that on the outer third of my eye, just to start creating that kind of shape that I'm going for. And I'm just going to blend it out, diffuse it, blow it out real good. And then I'm going in with the more intense orange shade in the palette, and I'm going to just more so like build up that color because I want that to be super intense and super bold. Once I have that bright orange built up to the level that I want it, I'm going to start diffusing out the edges so it's not too harsh. I'm going to go on with that dark brown shade in the palette and just continue to create some depth in the very corner of my eye. I want to create a gradient effect, so you want to go from lightest to dark or however you want to get that transition going. Back into the bright yellow shade in the palette, I'm going to go back into the inner third of my eye just to re-intensify that space and get the yellow section bold again, because I'm going to layer a shimmer color on top of that, but I do want it to stay yellow. So I'm just going to build that color back up and blend it into the orange shades. Now going into the gold shimmer in the palette, I'm just going to layer that on top of the burnt yellow. Well, the golden yellow, it's not burnt, y'all. I'm thinking about burnt orange. But anyway, I'm going to layer the gold on top of the golden yellow. And just to intensify that, give me a little shimmer, because we trying to shimmer and shine, okay? Now that your lid space is done, you can't forget about your lower lash line. You don't want to have a top heavy eye. So I'm just going to go back in with the burnt orange and the burgundy shade on my lower lash line just to create some color and transition there. So I'm now looking undone. Now just to finish off the skin, I'm going to go in with my Studio Fix pressed powder in the shade NW55 to reinforce my contour. I do like to set my cream contours with the powder, so this is my powder of choice. I'm just going to shape that in there and then going with blush. This blush is by Makiage. I will leave the color down in the description box. I can't remember it off the top of my head, but I'm just going to go on my cheeks, blend it into my contour, because you don't want no stripes, baby. You want to make sure it's a nice gradient effect between your highlighter, blush, and contour. So I'm just placing that blush there. It fits right into the fall theme. And of course I'm going to highlight. I'm using the Dose of Colors highlighter. This was from the Katie and Desi Friendcation whole launch or whatever. I don't remember the name of it, but I'll leave that link down below as well as the MAC Soft and Gentle. No, this ain't Soft and Gentle. This is a Global Glow. My bad. Global Glow Mineralize Skin Finish highlighter on top of the Dose of Colors. And the skin is glowing, period. Look, I mean, yeah, what? Glow, okay? Okay, here comes my babies. They had to come in the camera and show me what they was working with that day. If you have children, make sure you let them subscribe to Kaysen's YouTube channel at Kaysen's World, as well as follow her on Instagram. Also use the link in the description box to shop for cute clothes for your kids and use their discount codes, okay? I will leave their affiliate links in the description box as well. Back to business, I'm going to apply the Stunna lip paint in, I think, Unveil as a lip liner, and then go in with a NYX soft matte lip cream in the center to create an ombre lip. And I'm going to go in with one of my glosses on top. This is a sample of one of my shades that'll be for sale pretty soon. I'm just going to apply that on top as a topper. Look how flawless that is. I mean, it's the color for me. It's the gloss, the shine for me. Okay, come on, lips. Alright, so I did apply my lashes off camera. I will leave information about those down in the description bar as well. But come on for the completed look. I mean, look at the hair. It's the face. It's the hair. It's the earrings. It's the top. I mean, it's the backdrop. Yeah, okay? It's the gloss and the black girl magic for me. Your girl is serving. Period. Do y'all see this? Okay, tag your fine brothers and cousins in the comments too, okay? Well, queens, this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned a lot. Hope you saw some products you might want to purchase. Like I said in the voiceover. Click the link in my description box to shop Makeup for Melanin Girls. Any of their products, you can shop under my link and receive a percentage off your order by using my discount code BetheBeat. I will leave all the information down in the description box. But get into this shadow. Like, their shadows are very blendable, very much creamy, very much popping, very much powerful. Okay, power palette, baby, period. I hope you enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, all that stuff. Share it to your Facebook, share it with your homegirls, send the link in the group chat. Share, copy the link down below. When you hit share, you can copy the link and send it to the group chat. I know you got a group chat. I know you got several with your homegirls, with your niggas, with your side piece and your main. I don't know. I know you got some group chats. Drop the link. Okay? So don't forget to follow the Big Mama brand on Instagram. This is one of my gloss shades that we'll be launching. So keep an eye out for that. Follow us on Instagram at the Big Mama brand. Your girl is feeling herself, okay? This look came out really, really pretty. I'm gonna try to get some pictures for the gram, for the gram. It's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Whoever's watching. I hope you guys like this look. Beats and love.